Education settings are under immense pressure right now. You're trying to increase student admissions to maximise your revenue, whilst also maintaining somewhat limited budgets at times, whilst also continuing to develop effective remote learning environments for your pupils. You're trying to achieve all of this whilst also cultivating a positive working educational environment. That's a big challenge for anybody. Akixi can help you tackle these challenges by streamlining many of your daily processes, which could otherwise, if not looked after, move you further away from your goals, and ultimately you'll be spending a lot of time achieving very little. Akixi is a communications reporting platform that lets you keep on top of your comms across the board, both in real time and for historic information to help you see trends in ways you can really easily understand. Use the Akixi wallboard, for example, to help manage the number of calls efficiently to ensure you aren't missing out on lost revenue. This means you can track the volume of calls, ensuring every call is answered. But we know that isn't always achievable, so you'll also be able to quickly identify missed phone calls to make sure you return them as quickly as possible. The missed calls report even automatically updates when you return the call, so the rest of the team are kept informed. Use the built-in historic reports to spot trends where you can make improvements, perhaps by identifying your busy period so you can ensure that you have enough staff to answer phone calls, maybe in that 7 to 10 a.m. window when parents call in to report absences. But you could also use historic information to identify other call trends, like how much time has been spent speaking to one particular parent or student, or average call length, number of calls per day, or anything else you can come up with. And then lastly, Akixi can scale and flex to meet all of these needs, whether it's additional agents or tightening SLAs around clearing time. We know that every call means potential revenue, and having all of this information available to you will allow you to perform as best as you can. Keep up to date with the latest Akixi news and information at Akixi.com.